In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to use videos without worrying about strict copyright restrictions. Whether you're working on a project, creating a presentation, or just looking for content to share, Creative Commons videos can provide you with the flexibility you need. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start off by opening YouTube. Most of you are probably familiar with how to do this, but just as a quick reminder, you can either head to the website on your computer or use the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're on the platform, the next step is to navigate to the search bar, which is prominently displayed at the top of the page. Now comes the fun part: deciding what exactly you want to search for. Maybe you're interested in travel videos, or perhaps something more specific like historical documentaries or instructional content. Go ahead and type your desired keywords into the search bar and hit the Enter key or the search button. YouTube will then present you with a list of videos related to your query. Once you have your search results, you'll need to refine them to show only Creative Commons videos. Look for the Filters option. It's located at the top left of the page, just beneath the search bar. When you click on Filters, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you various options to narrow down your search results. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several categories, but what you're looking for is under the Features section. Here you'll find a setting labeled Creative Commons. Click on this and voila! Your search results will be magically transformed, displaying only videos that come with a Creative Commons license. This means they are available for you to use, often with some conditions like giving appropriate credit or not using the content for commercial purposes. And there you have it. YouTube will now show you videos that can be reused based on the Creative Commons licensing terms. This is incredibly helpful for creators who need footage without the hassle of complicated rights negotiations. Remember, while Creative Commons licenses make it easier to use content, it's always important to double-check the specific licensing terms associated with each video to ensure proper usage. So now that you know how to find Creative Commons videos, you can confidently explore YouTube and find the content that best suits your needs, all while respecting the rights of the original creators. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your video sourcing a breeze. Happy searching!